In this video, we're looking at how to pluck a harp string with good technique. So check in with your body position, make sure that you're sitting in alignment. Think of that string pulling up through your head. Make sure that your shoulders are down and relaxed. Your elbows away from your body. Remember, it's that kind of 45 degrees to the vertical. And then your wrist has got that slight dip in it. Never a hill, maybe a slight valley or a flat wrist. And then remember, we practiced that motion of closing your fingers down and your thumb over the top. Your fingers will be down and your thumb is up. So we're going to look at how you pluck with just your index finger. That's finger number 2. So put your second finger of your right hand onto a C. We call this middle C. And on a harpsichord or a small harp, it's probably the second harp. It's second C string. It sounds like this. Okay, so find that string, that is middle C. We're going to make sure our thumb is up, finger pointing down, wrist down in neutral, elbow away from your body. I'm just checking in on all those things. Before you pluck the string, you're going to put a little bit of tension on that string. You kind of pull it a little bit. See how you can actually see my C string moving as I pull on it. And that's going to give us a nice tone, a nice sound out of the harp. So pull on that string, make sure, and then everything is open. So stop pulling on the string for a second. Hold on. Your thumb is up and open. Your fingers are all open. These ones are kind of just hanging loosely down next to the one that's on the string. Okay, then we pull on that string and then we're going to close it into that hand position that we talked about before. Remember, you close and the thumb comes over onto that knuckle or just above, and the fingers are going to close down straight. So that's the motion of plucking the string. So you put the tension on the string and then you close everything. Let's do it again. Open up everything, including your thumb, pull on that string, and then think of it as closing, the fingers closing down into your palm. Good, try again. Are you ending up with your hand closed like this? It shouldn't be like this. It shouldn't be plucking like this. We're opening everything and we're closing it all. Let's try it with the other hand. We're going to also again put our second finger of the left hand onto middle C as well. Your thumb is nice and high. Your fingers are pointing down. And we check in with your position. You've got your elbow away from your body, your wrist down in neutral, thumb up, finger pointing down. All your fingers are open. You're going to pull on that string a little bit and then close everything. Pull it down into your palm and close the thumb too. Everything opens, we place it on the string, we pull on that string, and then everything closes as we pluck down into the palm. If you start feeling a little bit tense, a bit of tension builds up, then you can put your harp down, shake out your arms, and then remind yourself of what the good closing hand motion is. So you're closing those fingers down into the palm and the thumb over, and practice those again. You can practice those while you're sitting up nice and straight, but not at a tension. Just think of that string pulling up through your head, your shoulders are relaxed, and you're doing that closing motion with your elbows away from your body and your wrist down in neutral. And then you can go back to your harp, put your finger on the string, open up everything, thumb nice and high, fingers pointing down, and we just close into your palm, just like we did before. Now that you've learned how to pluck with your second finger, we're going to do some fun exercises playing around with making a beautiful sound on your harp. So click here for the next video.